Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and building the Lego Nintendo Game Boy set. This is a proper nostalgia hit. This one's designed as a display model. It's recreating the classic Game Boy shape. It's got the D-pad, the A and B buttons, and also the speaker grill, which we can see just there. You've got all those little details that make this instantly recognisable. It's an exact copy of the Game Boy itself. Inside the box you get everything you need to build this handheld, plus the screen section, so it really does look like the real thing on the shelf. What I'll do is I'll show you what you get in the box, we'll build it, and then I'll give you my honest thoughts on the final look. I do believe I've also got the original Game Boy somewhere. If I can find it, we'll put it side by side so we can take a proper look at the differences and just how good this looks compared to the original one. You do also get, as I can see down here, a couple of cartridges. So you get a Zelda one, you get a Mario one, and I think these are like little hologram things, so that when you move the Game Boy, it looks as if the screen's moving. So this I purchased from Smith's. It's actually sold out on the Lego store at the moment. I think it was about £54, I think it was. But yeah, sold out on the Lego store. It's about a 60-day order. So yeah, what we'll do is we'll get this unboxed, we'll take a look at the packaging, and then we'll do a speeded up video, can't even say what word I need, of me building it, and then I'll show you the final product. have it. The Lego Game Boy is complete. And what I did do is, I said I was going to look for it. I have found my original one. So we can see side by side just how good that Game Boy looks. With the Lego one, the buttons will work. They move. They're all pushy. You can roll or push the start button. They've got a bounce behind them on the side here, where you've got the volume that goes up and down, and then on this side you've got the contrast. Oh, I've not pushed in properly there, look. And you also got the port there, which is for the headphones. But yeah, side by side, they're pretty much exactly the same size. And then you've also got the game, so that's the real game there, and that's the Lego one there. So again, pretty much like for like on the size. If we flip the Game Boys over, again, the real one, the Lego one, you get games that you can put in there. See, they don't play or anything, but yeah. And if I don't know if you can see it because the reflection on here, but if you move the screen around, you do get like the graphic in there moving. With the Lego set, you do also get a couple of other of these little moving bits. So you get like the Nintendo where the Game Boy first comes on, and so on. But yeah, there we have it. That's our first Lego build on this channel. If you've enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe. And yeah, hopefully we'll do some more of these Lego builds in the future, because I've really enjoyed this one. To build this Game Boy, it took me, it said 1 hour and 10 minutes on the app to build it, but I know it was longer because I was stopping and starting the recording during it, so I know it wasn't that long. But yeah, really enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.